abakugwaba okuruga omu Congolese National Army bebembirwe Lieutenant Colonel Jacob Apunia ohamize ngu abapolisi aba n'aba government ya DRC.
Here 307 and 21 battalion in particular, these are organic unit to 2nd division, and from the time they received these people, my coming here was to witness, but not me alone. I came with my team from division, but in coordination with officials from DRC, FRDC, Army Officer Colonel Jacob. From Kasindi via Kasese, we have been in touch on phone, and finally we joined each other just to see these people, confirm that really these are official police officers of DRC.
Omu bashijimire harimo embundu 41, magazine z'amasasi 55 hamwe na n'izindi magazine ezitari mu masasi eziri kuhika muri 10 n'ebindi.
Bazunga kikotoyo toyemaki bango malamu lelo sikoyo tozayi pana bango ifo bayamba biso malamu eza esengo te eza esengo te.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sengendo Abdukarim.